How to get PayPal money off hold instantly. In this video, I will show you how to get PayPal money off hold instantly. The first step is to open the PayPal mobile application or website because the tutorial is the same on both platforms. After that, you will land on the homepage of the app. Once you are here, scroll through the transactions section where you have to look for the transaction that is on hold. I will use this one as an example. After that, you will land on this page that has details of the transaction, such as amount, total, email, and transaction ID. From the options that are here, tap on this one named Add Tracking. It has a truck icon. Here it is, tap on it. After that, you will land on this page where you are required to enter tracking information so that your customer can track the status of their order. The first field ignores status. Tap on it. You will get this drop-down menu that has different types of order statuses, such as order status shipped, in process, hold, returned, and order processed. So, choose the right order status. I will choose shipped if it is a physical product, and then I will add the tracking number so that customers and PayPal can be aware of the delivery of the product. You can add the carrier by tapping here and then choosing the right carrier from the list here. If it is a digital product that does not require a tracking number, tap here on this checkmark named Tracking Information is not required. After that, tap Submit and PayPal will send the money to you because they can now track the order and the customer can track the order too. That is how to get PayPal money off hold instantly.